Hello, in today's video I'm going to be doing an orchid unboxing from Springwater Orchids. And now this is actually my second orchid from Springwater Orchids. My first one was Cattleya cerulean, which I still have. And sorry, I'm just kind of tripping up because one of a similar hybrid to this one that I have, just today it was showing signs of rot like all over. It was a little seedling, and so I had to toss it out, and that's why I'm like tripping up because I don't know. I'm just sad about it. But the other one I got was from Springwater Orchids, was a Cattleya cerulean, and I still have that. It's doing great, growing really well, not showing any signs of like setback or anything like that. So I'm super happy about that. And I'm hoping this one is going to be just as vigorous. Okay, we have packing peanuts here, so I'm just gonna toss these out and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the star of the show. Nicely packaged, pretty small seedling, although most things with this cross, or let me just show you the tag. So this is BC St. Andre, dowiana cross. The one I lost earlier today was a Richard Mueller cross with dowiana. So I don't know if the Richard Mueller cross like sensed that its replacement was coming, but yeah, it just passed away, or showed signs that it was passing away today, which is sad, but I'm glad to have this one because it looks super healthy. It's got tons of roots in there, and I'm hoping this will be more, you know what, I'm gonna make sure that this one is more vigorous and healthy than the last one. I'm gonna spray it down with a little spider mite repellent that I have, and yeah, do that because I'm currently dealing with the spider mite issue in my collection, mainly with my phals. Actually, I've only seen one of my phals and like a handful, like 4 or 5, but it is a little bit distressing. So yeah, great roots, nice plant, little healthy baby from Springwater Orchids. And let me just get you the price while I'm here. So I've been forgetting to do that on my recent ones. So altogether this was $40, $25 for the plant and $15 shipping. They said it was going to be shipped out, or they said it was going to be arriving tomorrow, but it got here today, and I live on the exact other side of the country. I think they're in Florida. And obviously I'm in California, right on the coast, so literally across the country. So yeah, super fast shipping, nice cute little plant, super healthy, very happy to have this cross. Unfortunately they don't have it on the listing anymore or available. Maybe they might have it on their website, but I got this one because it was the last one on the listing, and I've been watching this for like a month or 2, so yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. This has been my unboxing of Cattleya BC St. Andre, excuse me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.